say that the information wey dey reach our office now as we dey talk no be small thing o. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army commander wey dey call Holy Ghost he don come outside for this video wey I go play you right now. Say wetin happen for Owerri state according to wetin he talk. He say that they don buy almost 200 Nigerian army put for the matter. Say they no fit report am for their news, but in dey here to update say see wetin dey happen. My people, we go find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. You will still dey here dey bring updates back to back as e dey hot. The update and the information wey dey reach our office this morning na be say that the Biafra Liberation Army commander don come outside wey dey call Holy Ghost. He come talk say they don buy almost 200 Nigerian army and they know they report am for the news. Say no know why you say they supposed to dey report am. More other ones wey they send come inside Biafra land know wetin they come first. However, we go play you the video and make you listen when they talk this. Please watch this video from beginning to end so that you no go say wetin talk, wetin I dey talk, no be wetin talk. Watch the video from beginning to end and we'll come back and continue.
You cannot stop the restoration of Biafra. You don't know this generation. Nnamdi Kanu said to you that this generation are the most stubborn generation you will ever come across in the surface of this earth. You don't know us. And when I tell you that we are prepared before we come, you think I'm joking. And when I also tell you that no matter how long this fight is going to take, the end result is Biafra, you think I was joking. None of those words are joke. If you are close to your spirit, or those of you who have shrine, go and verify each of those words that I've been saying. And then at the end of the day, I will tell you that we go nowhere. Now, gather all of them together. And what you will see at the end of it is Biafra. You cannot stop us. You can never stop us. They never born you to stop us. You cannot stop us. And you can never, listen to me very clearly. You can never distract us. You cannot distract us and you cannot stop us. Because we are like machines that are programmed for a particular something. Now, for instance, if you go to ATM with physical cash, I mean hard copy of Naira, you carry hard copy of Naira note, and you went to ATM machine, and you want to pay the money to somebody, is it possible? Can you pay money to person, physical cash? Can you pay physical cash to person through ATM machine? It is not possible. Why? Because that machine was not programmed to do so. That machine cannot accept physical notes. Do you see? Now let me ask you another question. Can you use your vehicle, motor, and cross river? Can you use your motor and cross river? You will tell me no. Why? Because that motor was not programmed to act like boat or ship. The same way, ship was not built to drive on a solid ground. In the same way, that motor was not programmed to drive on a liquid surface. Now, having tell you this secret, if you put your brain together, you know that this perceive of Biafrans were programmed specifically for restoration of Biafra. That is why I say you can't stop us. You can't distract us. And you cannot stop us. We were programmed to restore Biafra. And Biafra is the end product. The more you try, the harder you will fall. The more you come, the more you will fall. The harder you try, the harder you will fall. All the money melt. Have you not noticed how many trailers then takes back the spoil money? Now look at how wicked they are. That money could have invented and changed the life of so many people, but they decided to wicked the citizen. They say Biafras love money. Biafra love money. Biafra love money. And you are proving to them that indeed your stupidity is what they were talking about. And indeed you are very stupid. Before now you have been warned. Relocate from any part of Nigeria back to Biafra land. You say no. What about your business? What about your houses? And your houses begin to go down and your businesses begin to go down. And then early this year, I begin to say to those of you who have your business and your life back, to leave the west and the north back to your fatherland. Some of you say, I'm joking. Some of you say nothing will happen. Today, somebody text me and asked me, please, I want to relocate. And then I look at the person, I don't want to reply him, but tonight I will say that person is very stupid. Stay there. Because I also tell you that those of you who want to stay there and die with your business, at least find one police or one army, buy the person first before them buy you. If you do that, at least you don't shot one of them. It's a good thing. It's a very good thing. Yes, it's a very good thing. They don't just buy you for nothing. At least you don't see somebody where you go present to your ancestors, say this one, na me buy am. Yes. But some of you will see foolishly allow them to buy you, destroy your home, destroy your business. And I wonder what you will go and tell your ancestors. And I also remember telling you that this month of February is going to be very hot for those of you who are staying outside. You remember? Please, go back to my previous discussion with you when I told you that February, it will be hot for those of you who are staying in the north and those of you who are staying in the west. That if you manage to escape with your life back home, you are very lucky. Maybe your day will be long. Let me put it that way. And some of you were thinking it's a joke. You know, that is why I say you love lie more than truth. When the worst thing that can happen to you is when you lie to yourself. Let me tell you what you need to know this night. Some of you are waiting for the day they will come to radio or television and announce there is a war going on in Nigeria. Before you will now know that there is a war going on. The war started since last 2 years ago. The war started last 2 years ago. You don't know this? Do you think that, oh my goodness me, why are black like this? Why are black like this? Do you think that time will come when Nigeria will come to radio station or their television and begin to say, we are fighting war with Biafra, we are fighting war in Biafra, war, come and help us? So, do you think that day will come? No. What you need to ask yourself is that, can that day ever come? Those of you who are expecting the day when Nigeria will announce war, before you begin to prepare yourself, before you know that you're supposed to defend yourself, before you know that you are not Nigerians, then I'm here this night to tell you that those of you who are waiting for that day will die. You will buy, you will never see that day because they will never do it. Before, when they come to war, they will say, oh, we kill them, we do this. They will go and pack innocent boys, carry gun, place in their face, carry juju, where them quad they tight, place in their face, say, we don't catch them, see them here. You know, do them. Again, they begin to carry Fulani until we discover, say, some of the time that they go pay Fulani to come to agree, say, now them be ESM. Until when we now bring Biafra Army, that we have codes. Our code is there. And since ever then, they refuse to do, because when you catch one, we will know the code of that person, and they never catch us for once. So the lies become very hard for them. Because I told them that you can't see us. How can you catch something you did not see? We are the air you are breathing. You can't see us, you can't catch us, and you can't kill us. Now, it is them that still went to their distance, say, no more news concerning these people. Yesterday, are you aware that they died more than 200 yesterday? In Owerri. Are you informed that in Owerri? Oh, in Owerri State, in Owerri State, are you informed that more than 200 soldiers, Nigerian soldiers, Biafra Liberation Army by them. The battle that lasts up to how many hours? Up to 10 hours. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hours battle. 12 hours battle. There is something I don't know. Hope Uzōdinmà. Hope Uzōdinmà. You are playing. Hope they never born you.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know. What you want to talk for inside this video now? This in the kind of information is form of advice give to anybody will come outside today say in charge for inside Biafra land. So you now as you now know that we have Wazirike there doing his own government, Biafra homeland. So we have IPOB under the US and also have Biafra government in exile. So if you know you are in charge of this territory called Biafra, please, our people is going through a lot in the sense of so many attacks by Nigeria Zoo military. Burning people's shop and all those things is being a business of the day. In Aba, the information that we got this morning, that this one is direct information they sent to us to also talk here. He said that in Aba, the police are disturbing them every day. In Owerri, in Imo State, the same thing. Anambra, the same thing. So if the government who in charge know what to do so that our people will at least put trust on anybody who is in charge in this particular territory. So those of you who think very well will understand what I'm saying, but those of you who don't think will still write whatever you want to write. Our people is going through a lot in Biafra land, in Abia State, in Imo State, and other states inside Biafra. So do something and stop all those reckless killing and harassment of our people by the Nigeria Security Force. Okay, my people, now so we'll see now say we'll see pass the information. Can't give now. May you try to share this video so that it will reach to whosoever that it may concern. And don't forget to follow this channel for more updates as it is hot. Okay, my wonderful people, now don't hear the information where Biafra Liberation Army commander, whether they call Holy Ghost, don't give us. Say they don't buy about 200 of them and their own media are not reporting it. But however, they are on it. They say the war lasted up to 2 hours and up to 12 hours and no media reported it. But no wahala. Say they still did there. They battle with them. Okay, my wonderful people, now so it be, and I will say more bring them. Now we'll quickly see you for the next update as it is hot.